What you're about to see is an actual video from one of our clients' accidents. Our client is driving down the road when the other driver pulls out of the parking lot. Now, at first glance, you can see that our client may be driving a little bit faster than he should, but at the end of the day, the other driver has to make sure that the road is clear before he or she turns into those lanes. Our client ended up breaking his hand. Unfortunately, the person that was in the vehicle that turned into those lanes was an excluded driver on the insurance policy. The excluded driver policy is something that people buy to try to lower their rates and to prevent their kids from hopping in their cars and causing accidents. So what happens is the insurance company decides that they are not going to cover anything at all to do with this accident because their driver was excluded. It's honestly a very frustrating thing that a lot of law firms run into. The other person is clearly at fault for the accident. They could be drunk. They could be 100% at fault. There could be significant injuries involved. But because they're an excluded driver, there's nothing that you could do with that insurance policy. Thankfully, in this situation, our client had something called uninsured motorist coverage, which is basically you were hit by an uninsured driver. Because it was an excluded driver, he didn't have insurance. So we were able to pursue our client's own insurance policy, and they gave us the full policy limits. And you may ask, well, do you need to really be involved if it's your own insurance company? Yes, absolutely you do. It is still an insurance company. It is, and their primary goal is to try to save money in this situation. Thankfully, we were able to get the full policy limits for our client. He had all of his medical bills paid, and he was able to walk away with a little bit of money in his pocket from having to go through all this in the first place. This is a great example of why it's so important that you have under or uninsured motorist coverage on your policy, because you never know who is going to hit you out there on the road. 20% of drivers in Texas don't have insurance. If you would like a free case evaluation, you could call or text me anytime at the number in my bio. God bless and have a good day.
When someone gets involved in a car accident, they don't know if they should handle it directly with the insurance company or they should get connected with a law firm that could help their case. That's where I come in. My name is Dustin Rosen, and I own a company called Texas Car Accidents. I've been helping accident victims navigate this question and the rest of the industry for over 10 years. If you go to TexasCarAccidents.com, you can answer 5 questions, and I will personally call you and give you a free case evaluation and let you know what I think the best pathway forward would be for your case. I can answer every single question that you have and point you in the best possible direction forward. Thank you and have a good day.